Hi everyone, happy new year. It's 2020. This is my first video in 2020. It's from Etsy. It's only my second time ordering from Etsy, but this is a totally different company. I believe is called Cumberland Plants, but I'll put the name somewhere on the screen here somewhere. And I ordered 4 plants. One I've owned before. One is a wish list. No, that's a fib. More than one is a wish list. So I had a string of pearls. Before I go and babble about what I had, let me just oh, there's a little note. But I ordered 4 plants. I ordered string of pearls because the original ones that I had, I let them dry out too much and they died. That was $7.99. A lithos plant or living rocks, that was $4.99. Here comes one of my wish lists, which is the Raindrop Peperomia. That was $13.95 in a 4-inch pot. And then another wish list, which is a string of hearts, which was $8.99 in a 2-inch pot. The other two don't know what size pot they're in, but soil's falling out. It's my string of hearts. Wait, I don't want to make a mess because the soil fell out. But can you see that? Ooh. I have seen this plant on many people's YouTube channels, and I've been wanting one for some time, but I've never been able to find this as well because it's always sold out. That's what happens when a plant is popular. I'm trying to see if you can see it. The leaves are a decent size. These hearts are very nice. So that's one. Oh no, it's my lithos. It's my living stone right there. See that? Oh, and they packaged it very nicely so that the soil wouldn't fall out. I'm assuming that was much easier with this plant, being that there's just a center plant here versus the string of hearts. But they did do a good job with making sure no dirt fell out with this one. So I'm happy. Ooh. Sorry. Oh, look at the size of these leaves. But OMG, I didn't expect this to be so, look at the leaves. Do you see how shiny they are? Oh, this plant is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so happy right now. Yeah. Look at the leaves. They are big and so nice and shiny. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna buy you a beautiful pot this weekend. Okay, I'm sorry, just one more time. Look at that. Is that not pretty? Oh wow. Well, this was a great purchase. This was well worth, just visually, it's well worth the $14. Very, very happy with that one. I'm just going to, excuse me. Wow. And last, I'm just going to keep this underneath it. So some of the dirt, see that? See that clump of dirt right there? This isn't a bad plant, but it seems like there's more soil than there is plant. So, but I'll fix that. I don't want to, I'm not going to repot it or anything. I'm just going to try and see if I can. Sometimes, you know, when you shop for the plant, they gift you things. This isn't one of those times. Like I said, I have my string of pearls. Ta-da. My string of hearts. It's very dry, and I'm not that hip to string of hearts other than what I've heard through YouTube channels. So I'm gonna just spritz that with a little water, not go crazy. Lithops I do own. There's something about these that I'm very much drawn to. But this plant is amazing. I am like ecstatic, happy, overjoyed. I am really containing my happiness. Okay. I went searching for this, found it on this site, on Etsy at this particular. Why can't I talk? At this particular seller's site, and they were selling several different ones, different prices, so on and so forth. I chose this one because I said $13.95 I would do, because I didn't want to spend any more than $15. And I'm going to tell you that this was definitely well worth the $13.95. This plant is amazing. Amazing. Look at it. I know I said this already, but really, look at it. Isn't that just beautiful? The leaves are so green, and oh, I'm very happy. So anyway, I don't want to make this video extra long because over my awe of this plant. But I'm very happy with this seller. They have a good amount of different plants on their site, more cactus or succulents than anything else. And but they had different pot sizes of the Peperomia Raindrop. I thought it was called Teardrop, but it's Raindrop. Could be called Teardrop, and they're wrong. But I would definitely, if you're looking for that plant, definitely go to their site. I will definitely have it down below this video, their link, and check it out. And I hope that you're happy as I am if you should buy one. I hope your plant looks just as good. This looks so amazing to me. This is one of the best plants I've ever received as far as the way it looks. This is amazing. And these leaves, I'm sorry, one more time. The leaves, do you see the size of the leaves? Like, I don't really have super big hands, but for a leaf, I'm sorry, I'm trying to get this together. For a leaf, that's like really big, right? Or is it just me? Have y'all seen bigger? Maybe I'm making more of this than I should. Well, I don't have anything to compare it to other than what I've seen. I think Plantarina was one of the main reasons I wanted this plant. It was somewhere else I saw it, on a YouTube video or maybe something, and the Plantarina just recently showed hers and it looked gorgeous, and I was going, oh my God, okay, I'm going to go get that plant. And I immediately looked for it, and now I have one. Yay. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting if you have or will, because this will be in the future. Thank you for everything. All my subscribers, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. I hope you will like, subscribe, comment. No pressure at all. No pressure. Have a blessed day. Happy 2020. Happy New Year to everyone. And I hope that you watch more of my videos, future and past. Have a good one, everybody. Bye.